Wendy, this video is on my favorite patient.
That is a surprise for me.
I know it's...
Why don't we talk about everything that you have done to me?
This was Wendy with her little button nose. How many years ago was that?
I think it was like 8-10 years. It has held up pretty good, hasn't it?
And you've gone through quite a transformation, and we just did one of these recently. With somebody like you, it's mostly just tip cartilage work. And so you take this little boxy or bulbous tip, kind of depends on the person, and somebody with thick Central American or Eastern skin as compared to thin Northern European skin. And you do a little cartilage work, and then it takes forever for that skin to shrink up,
yes.
right? And for people like you that have thicker skin, we end up injecting a little bit of cortisone into the nose skin once a month for a couple of months. It was probably 7 months on you.
Yeah, it was like, yes.
Yeah.
7 months.
And I think I worked on you on like a Tuesday, and you were
Came
putting
to
hair
work.
on somebody's head on Wednesday, right?
I was. And I didn't bruise or anything.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. And we did that, and then you got a boyfriend, right?
Right after the nose?
Right. Yeah.
So I guess it was like 9 years ago.
And can you show a close-up of your scar? Walk right over to that camera. Let me just adjust this thing. Walk over and stick your nose up at that camera. And so I do noses, and there's a small incision. Back up a little bit, back up. Just to hold still, and I will put an arrow over the scars. Okay, and then back up. Okay, you can come back here. So I do noses through what's called an open approach. We make a little cut on the skin. And
yeah, you can't see the incision at all.
Right.
Yeah.
And the one other thing that some people have, and you had it, is that based on your monthly cycle, you notice that your nose
you can tell.
I
think that's what you can tell when it's right.
When I know you're real grumpy, your nose is a little puffy. I stay away from it.
It goes, yeah.
So we do plenty of noses. The key is to be reasonably conservative, so you don't look like you had a nose job. And by and large, every girl takes somewhere between 0 and 3 pain pills, and almost every boy takes all 20.
Oh, yeah.
And it's the same pain. So girls are indeed tougher than boys. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.